English world. Today, we're going to have so much fun discovering the letter R. Can you say R? Great job! Now, let's find amazing words that start with R. Are you ready? First, let's meet some awesome animals that start with R. This is a rabbit. It has long ears and loves to hop. Can you hop like a rabbit? Here comes a raccoon. It has a cute little mask on its face. Wow, a rhino. It's big, strong, and has a horn on its nose. Cock-a-doodle-doo. That's a rooster. It wakes everyone up in the morning. Raspberries. Small, red, and super tasty. A red apple, crunchy and sweet. Look at these. They are raisins, tiny, dried grapes that taste so good. Look at this speedy race car. Zoom, zoom. Whoa, a rocket. It flies high into space. This is a rowboat. You can row it on a lake. A rectangle. It has four sides. Can you find something shaped like a rectangle? Here's a rhombus. It looks like a diamond. Saturn has beautiful rings. R for rings. Can you spin like Saturn's rings? Wow, we learned so many R words today. Let's say them again. You did an amazing job. Give yourself a big clap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun learning on Happy English World. Bye-bye.